Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. Today we are going to start new block 11, desert and plateaus. First we can discuss about desert. What is the name of desert in India? Yes, it is Thar Desert. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India. Where is this Thar Desert is located? Yes, Thar Desert is located in the west of Aravalli range. Okay, it located in the west of Aravalli range. Aravalli range. Thar Desert is the largest desert of India. It is located in the west of Aravalli range. Children, when we look at the physical map of India, where is Thar Desert? Yes, Thar Desert is here. Thar Desert is here in the west of Aravalli range. So you can see here Aravalli range. So Aravalli near to the Aravalli range. That means the west of Aravalli range, Thar Desert is located. Then which are the states this Thar Desert is covered? Yes, this Thar Desert mainly spread on Rajasthan. Okay, mainly spread on Rajasthan and some other state also it spread. So which are the other states? Yes, we know some part of Gujarat. Some part of Gujarat. Punjab, some part of Punjab and Haryana also. Okay, so these are the states this desert is spread. Okay, so which is the which state Thar Desert mainly spread? Yes, Thar Desert is mainly spread on Rajasthan and it is spread or it lies in the some part of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. Okay, so these are the states this Thar Desert mainly spread. Okay, which type of soil can be found in desert? Yes, we know sand. Mainly it is covered by sand. So we can find sand dunes here. Sand dunes. Sand dunes are the hills of sand. Hill of sand is called sand dunes. So sand dunes we can see here. Okay, so desert is covered by sand dunes and we can find oasis also here. Oasis means the natural water bodies found in desert. Okay, natural water body. Natural water body found in desert. Desert is covered by sand dunes and oasis also can be found in desert. Oasis are the natural water bodies found in desert and some trees also grow near to this oasis. Okay, then which type of trees can grow here? Plants that can grow in less water. That kind of trees only can survive in the desert. So some of the trees like cacti, babul, then date palm. Which is the animal mainly found in desert? Yes, camel. Camel is called ship of the desert. Camel is called ship of the desert because the people mainly use this camel for traveling from one place to another place and carrying loads. Okay, so camels are known as ship of the desert. We know why it is called ship of the desert. Yes, it can live in desert. It can live in desert because it has such kind of body parts, long legs. Okay, and we know there is one hump on its back. So it can store water and food in that hump. So this camel can live in desert without drinking water and food. 2-3 days without drinking water and eating food. It can live in the desert. So it is known as ship of the desert. Okay, so camel is known as ship of the desert. The climate in desert. How is the climate in desert? Yes, this desert have extreme climate. Extreme climate. What do you mean by extreme climate? Extreme climate means days are hot. Days are hot and nights are cool. Okay, nights are cool. Nights are cool. Why the desert have extreme climate? Yes, we know desert is covered by sand, isn't it, children? It is covered by sand. So we know in the daytime the sand become hot very soon, isn't it? So in the daytime the sand become heat and the days are very hot. Okay, and in the case of in the night time we know the sand cool. That is why nights are cool there. Okay, so which type of climate can be found in desert? Yes, extreme climate. Extreme climate means days are hot and nights are cool. Okay, it is because of the presence of soil. Which type of soil can we see there? Yes, sandy soil. Okay, so the sand become hot very fast, very soon it become hot. That is why days are very hot and night time the sand become cool and nights are cool. Okay, and we know how is rainfall is receiving here. Yes, very little rainfall can be find there, isn't it? Little rainfall will be there, little rainfall. So the people are going long distances for getting water. So getting for carrying water, people are walking or going to long distances. So days are very hot and nights are cool. Very little rainfall only receiving here. In the summer time it will be very hot in desert and winter season it will be very cool. Okay, then what are the main occupation of the people? Yes, the occupation of the people, main occupation of people are rearing sheep, goat, camel. Okay, camel, then cattle, etc. Rearing sheep, goat, camel, etc. Then we know some other occupation also there, that is agriculture also they are practicing. So which kind of crops they are growing mainly? Yes, the crops they need only less water to survive. Such type of crops only they are growing. Okay, so main occupation of the people are rearing sheep, goat, camel, cattle, etc. And other people, some people practices agriculture also. Which type of crops can grow there? Yes, the crops they need less water to survive. Such crops only can grow in the desert. Okay. Which type of houses they built? Yes, they are building the houses mainly. It has flat roof will be there, mud walls. So we can find mud houses in desert. Okay, then what is the clothes people wear here? Yes, the people in Rajasthan wear very colorful clothes. Colorful clothes means women wear gagra choli. Women wear gagra choli. Then what is the cloth of men? Yes, men wear kurta and dhoti. And also a turban. Turban also they used to wear. Turban means cap. So that is the cloth of people living in desert. That means people living in Rajasthan. Okay. So what is the cloth of people living in desert? Yes, women wear gagra choli, men wear kurta, dhoti and a turban also used to wear. So that is the cloth of people living in desert. That means people living in Thar desert. Okay. So very colorful clothes they used to wear. Okay, so this much only you have to study about desert. Now we can discuss workbook. Take page number 15. Workbook page number 15. Thar desert. The Thar desert. Okay. So first question is look at the map and answer the question. Okay. So here you can see one map. So first question is color the desert region. So where is desert in India? Yes, we already told Rajasthan. It mainly covered Rajasthan and some part of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana also we discussed. So see children, here this part you have to color it. So here you can see desert. Okay, so this all part you up to Gujarat, this part you color it. Okay, then second question, name the desert. The name of the desert is Thar desert. Then C, write the name of the state covered by the desert. So you can write Rajasthan. Mainly it is spread on Rajasthan. Okay, one state enough, Rajasthan. So some other states also there. Some part of Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana, all desert can be found. Okay, so you can write Rajasthan. Then second question, write two features of a desert. So two features of desert, we can write any two feature. Many features I discussed now. Okay, so you can write any two features. So we can write deserts are covered by sand. Okay, then you can write deserts have hot and dry climate. Then some other answers also you can give. Deserts, we can find sand dunes in desert, very little rainfall will be there. So you can write any two features. Okay. Then third question, how is the climate in the Thar desert different from the climate in the northern mountains? We know the climate in the deserts are hot and dry climate and very little rainfall is getting, isn't it? But in the case of, but in mountain, how is the climate? Climate is very cold and get good rainfall. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. The climate in the desert is hot and get less rainfall. But the climate in mountains are very cold and get good rainfall. So this much only workbook we have to discuss. Now we have to discuss two practice questions. Practice question number 2. Where is Thar desert is located? Thar desert is located in the west of Aravalli range and it is mainly spread over the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Then next question is fifth question. What kind of lifestyle can be found in the desert of Rajasthan? So you can write in first the clothes people wear. Which kind of clothes people wear? The people in Rajasthan. The people in desert of Rajasthan wear colorful clothes. Colorful clothes. Women wear gagra choli and men wear kurta dhoti and a turban. Then we can write the main occupation of the people. Main occupation of the people are rearing sheep, goat, camel, cattle, etc. And some people practices agriculture also. Then we can give another one more. We can say the where the people live, which kind of houses they built. The people built the houses have flat roof and mud walls. Okay, so like that way you can write the lifestyle of the people in Rajasthan. And we can write the plants, which type of plants can grow the crops they can survive in less water, only can grow in desert. So like that way you can write the lifestyle of the people in desert. Okay, so this much only we are taking today. Hope you all understood today's class. So we can meet in the next class. Okay, bye.